Kidney warning: kidney stones, the most painful disease on earth, immediately sparks fear and curiosity. It makes viewers wonder, wait, could I have this pain? How dangerous is it? The thumbnail phrase "the pain that destroys from within" amplifies that emotion, suggesting something hidden and internal, the kind of threat most seniors worry about but rarely understand fully. Together, they promise an urgent yet educational video, uncovering what kidney stones really are, why they hurt so much, and how to stop them before it's too late. Outline for the script: 1 hook, the hidden pain inside you. Open with a curiosity-driven question. Ever felt that deep, stabbing pain in your side that just won't go away? Connect it emotionally to seniors' common issues: back pain, dehydration, or medication side effects. Reveal: it might not be your spine. It could be your kidneys screaming for help. 2. What kidney stones really are. Explain simply how tiny mineral crystals form inside kidneys. Create curiosity, but how can something so small cause pain that strong? Hint at the shocking answer: it's all about movement inside narrow kidney tubes. 3. Why the pain is so intense. Describe the nerve pressure and blockage effect in layman's terms. Relatable imagery: imagine trying to push a rock through a straw. Add micro hook: that's what your body feels every time a stone tries to pass. For common triggers in older adults, highlight causes that seniors relate to. Low water intake, too much salt or animal protein. Certain meds or calcium supplements. Build awareness with fear-based hook: the very pills meant to protect your bones might be hurting your kidneys. 5 warning signs you should never ignore. Use short, punchy lines for urgency: sudden pain in your side or back. Blood in your urine. Re-hook: if you wait too long, that pain can become permanent damage. 6. Natural prevention and relief. Offer hope after fear. Emphasize hydration, lemon water, magnesium-rich foods, and low-sodium diets. Build excitement: the good news, you can dissolve early crystals naturally before they ever become stones. 7. The surprising everyday drink that helps. Create a mini twist. Reveal how citrus or basil water can help flush kidneys. Hook again: it's not just about what you drink, it's how consistently you do it. 8. Emotional wrap-up and call to action. End with reassurance and empowerment. Emotional line: your kidneys don't ask for much, just care, hydration, and a little attention before it's too late. CDA: encourage viewers to share or comment if they've ever experienced kidney pain.